Hi, Galen from Clark's Outdoors. So these collapsible buckets are one of my favourite items. They're so handy. Keep them in the caravan, the tent, the camper trailer, or just in the back of the car or around home for when you need them. So they hold 11 litres. They've got a really sturdy, solid plastic bottom, and they're made from a waterproof material. So one of the favourite uses that our customers have told us, and we've got a photo of this on our website, is you put your drinks in here, fill it up with ice, and it makes a great wine or beer cooler. So these are really simple. They just twist down, fold up, and you can see that, and then they zip into the handy little carry case. So great for anything that you need water for, take the kids down the beach, collecting shells, things like that. If you're fishermen, great for bait, really handy to have in the caravan. Thanks for watching.